Do you want to bring your players together in engaging multiplayer worlds, working together, or fighting against each other? Learning Unreal Engine multiplayer doesn't have to be hard, and it doesn't have to take you a long time. There are just a small handful of concepts that you must understand before you can start programming your games for multiplayer. This course will teach you Unreal Engine multiplayer with C++ gameplay examples. This is a crash course designed to quickly help you to understand how multiplayer works in Unreal Engine, how its classes are designed around multiplayer, and how to properly set up your game's structure to work in multiplayer. Don't think that just because this is a crash course that you won't be learning the theory behind multiplayer. This course is a big body of knowledge wrapped in a small package, with loads of visual diagrams and slides, challenges for every concept that we'll solve together, detailed summaries of the concepts, and quizzes to test your understanding. We'll start with the fundamentals, assuming you have no multiplayer knowledge or experience. By the end of this course, you'll have hands-on practice and understanding of client and server and the client-server model, the difference between LAN, listen server, and dedicated server games, actor and component replication, replication of variables and rep notifies, replication conditions, attachment of actors and components and how it works in multiplayer, remote events, the concept of authority and net role, ownership and owning net connections, the concepts of relevancy and priority in multiplayer, and how to use the Unreal Engine class framework, and what responsibilities your various classes should have, including the game mode, the game state, player controller, pawn and character, HUD and widgets, and others. You'll learn about pitfalls in multiplayer game development and how to avoid them, and you'll know the difference between seamless travel and hard travel and how to implement these, and more. We discuss the theory behind each concept before getting hands-on practice with real examples. You'll be given a challenge for each core topic, first trying to solve it yourself, then watching my solution. And your knowledge will be tested with quizzes to solidify your learning. By the end of this course, you will have all of the core concepts down for multiplayer. This course assumes that you already have a basic understanding of Unreal Engine C++. If you've made at least one Unreal Engine C++ project, that's enough. Jump in and enjoy learning the Unreal Engine multiplayer system today. I'll see you soon.